welcome back to another video. My name is Ashwin Vaishnav, and today we will be playing PBS Kids again in the Dinosaur Train. The game today that we're playing is... Give me one sec. Stage Ration. It's right up here in the middle. So here. For the video, so I'm putting it to full screen so you won't be able to see my beautiful face. But before this finishes loading, make sure you hit that like button if you like my videos, and hit that subscribe button to join the World Gamer Squad.
Station races today. Help me stay on schedule and pick up as many passengers as we can by laying track for the train. Let's see how many dinosaurs we can pick up before the time runs out. Choose the dinosaur train. All aboard! We have this much time to make it to the first station. This time, we're picking up a Spinosaurus. Ready, set, go!
I'm building. So guys, if you can see, there are obstacles on the path. And
the race ends.
There are things you can grab, like that stopwatch or the boost power-up that you see I got. And there are traps like the sand dunes. And now go through the water. And now we have to avoid the dinosaurs.
Let's build our track around them.
I don't think And we've made it.
Great job.
So guys, this game is just like we have to keep on picking up dinosaurs and make the track so we can get to the
last time, and we are this far ahead of schedule. Now we have this much time to make it to the next station.
Okay.
This time we're picking up a Cosmoceratops. Cosmoceratops has one horn above each eye and 10 along its frill, giving it one of them.
Okay, the game is you run around as the train making the track. You have to press down if you're on a computer. And try and get buffs on the way. Like that speed buff I got. Why is it? What happened? Okay. And if it's a bad track, if it's not that good of a track, it will like stop you from going. And there are obstacles on the path, which either gives you stuff, which allows you to whatever. Obstacles on the path like block your path, and you have to complete the track so that way you get there on time. There's a stopwatch in the top right corner, so that's how much time you have left.
We arrived early last time, and we are this far ahead of schedule.
Okay.
Now we have this much time to make it to the next station. This time we're picking up a Quetzalcoatlus. Quetzalcoatlus is a...
Okay.
Ready?
Set. Go.
Go!
Just do that, do this. Why did I bump into a rock? Okay, I have to be precise about this. There are these obstacles, the rocks, the dinosaurs. And there are time watches to speed up your train. If you make a track before or in front of the dinosaurs, they will stop. And it looks like it... I just finished. This is like the quickest game I found.
We arrived ahead of schedule.
You can pick one of two.
We arrived early last time, and we are this far ahead of schedule. Now we have this much time to make it to the next station. This time we're picking up a Pteranodon. Pteranodons love soaring over the ocean and diving into the water to catch fish. Ready, set, go!
So guys, this game, we have to see how many we get, and I think there's an end. I have never played so far where I gotten to the end. I think I might have, because I have really bad memory. Don't pick up the stopwatch. Go straight for this. And we've made it.
The track is complete. Great job. Hooray! We arrived ahead of schedule. All aboard! We arrived early last time, and we are this far ahead of schedule. Now, we have this much time to make it to the next station.
You want to know, guys, something? I'm going to try out the other trains, and I'm going to see if I can try out I'm trying out the other train, and we cannot get straight back to this place without, going out and back to choose a different train. That was the
great station races
the steam engine. I don't know what that is. Pick up the dragon thing.
All aboard! We have this much time to make it to the first
I think they're both the exact same. I think they're the exact same speed and everything, but just a different look to see what you do. I'm just seeing which one's faster.
Keep your eye on my stopwatch. If we run out of time, the race ends.
So there's a plus sign with the
Watch out for trees and large rocks. Make your track go around them.
Just go straight through. For some reason, it goes super fast on top of water.
Watch out for that herd of sauropods. Let's build our track around them.
Build it on. And grab that stopwatch. Yeah, they're the exact same speed, I'm noticing. And so that means they're the exact same speed. That means you just pick whichever one you want. And since that was very short, the station race was very short, that thing. We are now doing something else. It's called a rail rally. And this is like a race between the computer and you.
This is the Zeppelin. Its balloon is full. This is the solar train. This is the rocket train. This is the dinosaur train. It's powered by steam. Water turns into steam when it's heated up. So
it looks like, see this blue thing that says dinosaur train, power, steam, speed, bonus. I think that says bonus, water. That's how much speed it has. That's the dinosaur train.
This is the Zeppelin. Its balloon is full of hot air that
it only has 2 speed.
This is the solar train.
That's the fastest one so far.
This is the rocket train.
The rocket train is the fastest, surprisingly. So there's a practice button, and you have to control your...
Let's practice driving the rocket train. When the light turns green, press the space bar to power your train. When the track branches, choose which way you want to go. Press the down arrow on the keyboard to take the lower path.
Skip that. Okay, so it seems like we can...
Set, go.
The space button allows me to go fast. Allows us to go a little bit faster. Start the engine for the race. And there are up and down arrow keys, which...
The track branches ahead. Press the down arrow on the keyboard to take the lower path. Or press the up arrow to choose the upper path.
Seems like the lower paths are much faster.
There's a straight run of track ahead. Choose the lower path to boost your speed.
I know. That was the practice round. So I race now, and It's just the exact same thing.
Ready,
We have our own thing.
Set, go! Yeah!
Straight around.
Uh-oh. Awesome!
I've legit been caught up, and
Go!
I'm going the lower path so that way I can go a little bit faster than the other ones. Oh gosh. Why doesn't it go faster? I placed
The
fourth.
rocket train finished last.
I'm
Let's
going to try
that.
one more
Choose
time
race.
to see if I
Try
can
again
go
if you wanna
first.
try another
Wait,
train.
back to station. Looked like the propeller
The
thing was
engineers
very
are having a
fast.
race today. Use the arrow.
Wait. We have to practice each time with it?
Ready,
I think I did
Set.
something bad.
go! Press the space bar to power your...
I accidentally clicked something I didn't want to. So now I have to find the game again because there's... Oh, not station race. I am bad at this. I am bad at seeing which game this is. Where is it? Rail Rally. Okay. So it looks like every time we pick a new thing, we
This
have
is
to
the Zeppelin. Its balloon is full.
we have to practice each time so we get better at it. And let's see this. Let's see how the Zeppelin works.
Ready, set, go!
It
Press
looks
the
for
space
the.
bar to make the Zeppelin go up.
It looks like we
Space bar
need.
to go down. Use the wind currents to go faster.
The wind currents for the Zeppelin give it a boost, and there are a lot of wind currents, so I think the Zeppelin is
in the
actually
wind
quite good.
currents.
Wait, what happens if I do
That's
this?
it.
Ride the air currents. Ride the air currents.
Great job.
And I've made it to the finish.
That was a great
This is actually quite fast because there's a lot of air currents. That's what I'm noticing. So let's play.
Ready, set, go! The Zeppelin pulls ahead.
I know I do. See? This is why the Zeppelin is good, but it can easily get outrun. Because it's so slow and its boost, it has a lot of boost, so that's why it usually wins. But if we get out of the boost zone, it'll take a while to get back up. You have to press the space bar so you go back up. And yeah, I finished first. Let's see how long it takes for the other cars. Steam, solar, and then the rocket.
The Zeppelin finished in first place.
Okay, guys, that's it for this episode. I showed you where is it? I showed you the rally race and station race for this episode. But that's all for this episode. If you liked my video, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button to join the World Gamer Squad. See ya!